Hey peeps, here we are at Sunstate Motorcycles on the beautiful Sunshine Coast. They've got the new Royal Enfield Classic 650. It's in a box up the back. We're going to watch them unbox it. So come on, come and have a squiz. What have we got here? Just going to unbox this Royal Enfield. Just going to video this because it's unreal.
I just got to do a road wheelie on that Kodo and we'll get that through, mate.
Look at here, we got the 650 Black Chrome Classic. All the way from India. They're pretty good crates, aren't they? Yeah.
Make a good workout.
If you did any work. Yeah. Graham's got the special tools to take it out. Look at him go. What a machine. They're bloody good. I'd build something out of them.
You always sort of take one home and make a...
I'd make a crate out of it, put a bike in.
Yeah.
It'd be good for that.
Put bikes in.
Yeah, then crate them up. Send them anywhere.
I see, guys.
You could, eh?
You can chop them off here.
Make them shorter bikes.
Put a top on it, make it work back.
See, that'd be a good height for me. I'd have it there.
Yeah, no good to look. Yeah, why ago?
No, I just came down and was out there. I'm like, I better get this on. Because you can't stop your own. You just keep going, mate. I am so surprised at the quality of these crates. They're unreal. She's fully braced. You don't get that from the Japanese manufacturers. Don't have these crates. Look like they're bikes, mate. Solid. So this is the Royal Enfield 650 Classic. Being born. The birth of a legend. Still got the other side done up, mate. There he goes. Yeah, he's got an audience. He's like, oh, hang on a minute. I'll give him a hand, but I can't do two things at once.
I get the way.
Oh, look at that. That's bloody superb. Oh, it's getting exciting now. I'll put all this in fast forward double time so when he's unboxing it, he goes...
You can watch it as slow as you want or as fast as you want.
Yeah. So this bike's for Anthony. He's ordered it in specially. He's getting it for the birth of his son. Buying a bike for the birth of his son, and he's going to have it when he's 18. And if your son's watching, you can have it when you're 18. Maybe, you reckon? We'll do that? I don't know.
What a present.
Yeah. Terms and conditions apply. Still on the back of his shirt so they know where it's at. Precision cutting. We were going to ring you, Anthony, but he got straight into us, so I thought I'd video it. Oh, look at that. Look at the hub. Look at the hub. All chrome. That's solid, eh? It's solid chrome.
Give me a look underneath. No, that'll be all.
Should be right, mate. Quality inspectors just quality inspected it, and he's happy. Here's the twine that they do up the tank with. Got your little bit of twine here. Little granny knot there, buddy, beautiful. See the twine they do the tank up with. Got little horsehair twine.
You got my Trumpy? Yeah. You want to see if they've got any of these fucking acids sitting over there?
Got to get the packets there, the imported.
Even the little plugs in these doors, look at that.
Yeah, there's a bracket here. That is unreal. This thing won't move. Got the exhaust plugs. No vermin can get up there. Oh, here we go. Woo!
That's a nice colour.
Look at the gleaming. Look at in the camera the gleaming of it. It's like she's friggin' shining.
Shiny, yes. It is very shiny.
Oh, they did a little special knot so you could slip them. Oh, look at that.
There she is.
Oh, don't kick her in the guts and let's get into it. That's cool. Taking the big supports off the side of her. So they come like that from the factory, all built, ready to go. How good is that? Fully assembled. What have we got here? What's this little cover?
Yeah,
How good is that?
yeah, fuck it. Yeah, it's probably.
Righto. All hands on deck. Where do they put the keys?
I just tie it up on the brake line.
Oh, the old brake line tie trick. Oh, they stick the key ring around it. Yeah, that's cool. Here we go, the moment of truth. And she's born. She's born, mate. Look at that. Royal Enfield Classic 650 Twin. Oh, well, that's it. That's the Royal Enfield Classic 650 Twin unboxing. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that gear, and comment whatever else you want to do. Enjoy it. Check out the other videos too, would ya?